Average annual flood losses would increase by 26.4% from $30 billion currently to $40.6 billion in less than 30 years. Scientists analyze nationwide property asset data and flood projections to develop a high-resolution assessment of flood risk in the U.S. The estimates of financial loss include damage to homes, businesses, and their contents. The research reveals poorer communities with a proportionally larger white population face the most danger at present. Future growth in flood risk will have a greater impact on African American communities on the Atlantic and Gulf coasts. Predicted population change was also shown to have a significant effect on flood risk, resulting in fourfold increases compared to the impact of climate change alone and sending costs further spiraling. Climate change combined with shifting populations present a double whammy of flood risk danger, and the financial implications are staggering. Lead author Oliver Wing stated, "Typical risk models rely on historical data which doesn't capture projected climate change or offer sufficient detail. Our sophisticated techniques using state-of-the-science flood models give a much more accurate picture of future flooding and how populations will be affected."
Luckily, it was empty.
Man. अंदर बोलो अंदर किसी को ابو سيارة محمد يوصل هنا
Watch out!
Stay up here.
Guys,
Come up here.
go up, go up.
It's rained really hard up there.
Daddy, you called it.
Yeah. This flat works through.
Yeah.
Maybe it is.
Oh my God, it's coming right at us. Holy shit, Richard, we gotta go. We gotta go up. It's coming. It's gonna get us, cause look, yeah. Well, it slowed down a lot compared to the last time we saw it. Holy moly.
Holy crap.
Whoa.
Go get the trucks.
Yuvarlan gelenlere bak. Hadi.
Aa geliyor ha. Şeyde geliyor.
Ver hep gitti. Oo.
Ha dayı yavaş lan. Nereye gidiyorsun lan? Nereye gidiyorsun?
O gitti. O şeye
O da
kadar
vurmuş
gitti.
ha. Onu da vurmuşlar araba.
Şeye kadar gitti. Aha o da gitti. O da gitti. Dayı.
Güle güle.
Baba gitti dayı o da gitti. Geri anam gelenlere bak. Abo suya bak. Şu avlunu içeriye al. Avlunu içeriye al. İçeriye.
Geliyor havluyor. Yunus
Tamam,
içeriye çek havluyu.
Abo.
Arabalar perişan oldu.
Beyler. Dükkana bile.